Hello everyone, so here is this trending viral app, Lego Super Mario. So yeah, let's just try to install it, but keep in mind the size of this app is 2 gigabytes. So yeah, it's actually quite large app. So that's like Lego Super Mario companion app. You can establish the connection between the app and Lego Mario or Lego Luigi, build your sets, get easy to use 3D building instructions for all your Lego Super Mario sets, keep track of your coins, put your skills to the test, an inspiring collection of fun challenges, create a sign of your Lego account to synchronize your progress. And then yeah, you can just see if your device is compatible at lego.com/device check. So there you have it, and this app has 13,000 ratings, 4.4 out of 5. So it's pretty interesting setup here. So yeah, that's the app. That's how you install. Just yeah, it's in top charts right now. There are also like other Lego apps. You know, there is standard Super Mario app. Yeah, but this is the new app here in this entertainment section, and hope it's fun. And then because there is a new support for all the new Lego Super Mario sets released in January 22. So yeah, that's why it's a cool app to entertain with. And that's super cool because if you purchase Lego, you can connect your sets and then just use them in the app. So that's kind of fun.